I'm currently logged into the Site Tools inside of SiteGround. And when we get to the dashboard, we do have an option here to make a backup. The problem is that you can generate backups, you can make a manual one, there's ones being made every night, and you can restore any backups using this system here, but there is no option to actually download a backup. So we have to make one manually. And to do that, if we come to the left-hand side and click on Site, and then click on File Manager, we now have access to the file system itself. We're going to click into the public HTML folder, which is all of the files that show on the web. We'll click the first folder, scroll to the bottom, hold Shift, click the last file in the site. And what we're doing is we're going to make a backup zip file. So up here at the top, we can now click on Archive, give the thing a file name, then click Confirm, and it's going to generate a backup archive for you that you can now download. So here we can see we have a backup site. We can click on this and then click on Download up here at the top. That's going to download a file for us. While that's working, we also need the database. So while we have the files, we still need to get the database. So here on the left-hand side, click on MySQL, then click on phpMyAdmin. And from here, we can now click Access phpMyAdmin. This is going to load up the database manager. And at the top, we'll click the name of the database that we want to back up. So we'll click that here on the left-hand side. And then here at the top, we will click the Export. And that's going to export an entire SQL file. And you would use that for restoring a backup of a site. And that's how to make a backup inside of SiteGround. The one thing that you should do is go back to your Site Tools, go back to File Manager, and delete that backup so that you're not wasting space in your site. We just click the delete button up here at the top, and now that file is gone. That's it.